If you've ever watched a ferret play, you know you're seeing pure joy in motion. These long, slinky animals are bundles of energy and curiosity, always ready to explore. Ferrets aren't just pets. They're lively companions who bring laughter and excitement into your home. Their playful antics and mischievous nature can brighten even the dullest day. Many are surprised by how interactive and affectionate ferrets can be, forming strong bonds with their humans. But their curiosity means nothing is safe from investigation, so ferret-proofing your home is a must. They're clever, social, and thrive on daily interaction and enrichment. Ferrets need your time and attention. They're not pets to leave alone for long. Welcoming a ferret means committing to their unique needs, from diet to housing. In this video, we'll guide you through the journey of ferret ownership, from playful kit to cherished companion. Get ready to discover if a ferret is the right friend for you. A ferret's life starts tiny and helpless. Kits are born blind, deaf, and weighing less than an ounce. For weeks, they rely on their mother for warmth and nourishment, huddled together in a soft nest. Around 3 to 4 weeks, their eyes and ears open, and curiosity awakens. They wobble around, exploring, and soon their baby teeth come in, preparing them for solid food. By 6 weeks, kits are energetic mini ferrets, wrestling and playing to learn vital life skills. Their mother weans them and teaches them social behaviors. At 8 to 10 weeks, kits are ready for new homes, still young, needing patience and gentle handling. Early experiences shape their personality, so socialization is crucial. This is the perfect time to bond, teach gentle play, and introduce them to their new world. The foundation you build now lasts a lifetime. Ferrets are mustelids, relatives of weasels, otters, and minks, not rodents. Their scientific name, Mustela putorius furo, hints at their musky scent and mischievous nature. Domesticated for over 2,000 years, ferrets were once prized for hunting rabbits and controlling pests. Their playful pouncing and weasel war dance are rooted in their predatory instincts. Ferrets love to burrow, so tunnels and blankets are essential for their happiness. One quirky trait, the ferret dead sleep. They can nap so deeply they seem lifeless, but it's perfectly normal. Ferrets sleep up to 20 hours a day, but when awake, they're a whirlwind of energy. They communicate with dukes, happy clucks, hisses, warnings, and even screams, distress. Learning their body language and sounds helps you understand and bond with your ferret. Their mix of wild instinct and affectionate charm makes them truly unique pets. With the right care, their personalities shine. Understanding their behavior is key to a happy home. Let's explore what makes ferrets so fascinating. Ferrets are obligate carnivores. Their bodies need meat-based protein and fat, not plants or sugar. The best diet is a high-quality ferret kibble with meat as the first ingredient, high protein, 30–40%, and low fiber. Avoid foods with corn, peas, or sugary treats. These can cause serious health issues like insulinoma. Some owners feed raw diets, but this requires careful research to ensure safety and nutrition. Treats should be meat-based. Think small pieces of cooked chicken or meat baby food. Ferrets have fast metabolisms and need several small meals a day, so keep kibble and fresh water available at all times. Use heavy bowls or water bottles to prevent spills. Ferrets love to play with their dishes. Never feed fruits, veggies, dairy, or anything sugary. A proper diet is the foundation of a healthy, happy ferret. A safe, stimulating home is essential for your ferret's well-being. The ideal cage is large, multi-level, and escape-proof, with soft bedding for burrowing. Avoid cedar or pine shavings. Use fleece, towels, or recycled paper bedding instead. Place food, water, and a litter box in separate corners. Ferrets need hours of supervised play outside the cage daily, so ferret-proof your home, block gaps, cover cords, and remove hazards. Check furniture for holes. Ferrets love to squeeze into tight spaces. Enrichment is key. Provide tunnels, sturdy toys, and rotate them to keep things fresh. Interactive play with you is the best enrichment of all. Train your ferret to use a litter box by placing it in corners and rewarding success with a meaty treat. Use paper or aspen litter, never clumping or clay. A clean, safe environment keeps your ferret happy and healthy. With the right setup, your ferret will thrive. Understanding ferret reproduction is vital for owners. Female ferrets, gills, must be spayed. If left in heat, they risk fatal aplastic anemia. Most pet ferrets are spayed or neutered before sale, preventing health and behavior issues. Intact males, hobs, become aggressive and smelly. Neutering calms them and reduces odor. If bred, a Jill's pregnancy lasts about 42 days, with litters averaging 8 kits. Kits grow quickly and are ready for new homes at 8 to 10 weeks. Pet ferrets live 6 to 10 years, shorter than many cats or dogs. They're most energetic from 1 to 4 years, then gradually slow down. Excellent nutrition and regular vet care help them live their best life. Owning a ferret is a long-term commitment filled with joy and responsibility. Regular vet care is crucial. Find a vet experienced with ferrets. Annual checkups, vaccinations, especially for distemper, and health monitoring are musts. Grooming is simple: trim nails every few weeks and clean ears as needed. Bathe sparingly. Too much bathing dries their skin and increases odor. Observe your ferret daily for changes in appetite, energy, or bathroom habits. Watch for signs of illness, lethargy, hair loss, or lumps mean it's time for the vet. Senior ferrets are prone to adrenal disease and insulinoma, but early treatment helps. Your attention and quick action can make all the difference. Enrich their lives with play, affection, and a safe environment. A healthy ferret is a happy, playful companion. Your care shapes their quality of life. As ferrets age, their energy softens, and they become more cuddly and gentle. Adjust their care, offer soft bedding and easy access to food and water. Treasure the quiet moments, a sleepy ferret in your lap, a soft duke of contentment. Saying goodbye is never easy, but ensuring comfort in their final days is a true act of love. The loss of a ferret leaves a big space in your heart, but the memories and joy they brought last forever. Allow yourself to grieve and remember the laughter and love you shared. From playful kit to wise senior, every moment with a ferret is a gift. The bond you build is truly unforgettable.